Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the transmission spring insert in your Troy-Bilt lawnmower, you will need a 9/16 inch socket, a 3/8 inch socket, and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. We also recommend there be little or no fuel in the tank. For safety, detach the ignition coil wire from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Now tip the lawnmower back and use a weight to hold the handle assembly down. Using the 9/16 inch socket, unthread the nuts securing the two front wheels. Remove the wheels. Slide off the two drive gears, along with the wheel guards. Now use the 3/8 inch socket to unthread the 7 lower screws, securing the front transmission cover. Next, unthread the two upper screws securing the cover. Pull the wheel adjustment lever outward so you can fully detach the cover. Remove the two drive shaft bearings. You can now slide the front axle assembly off. Use the needle nose pliers to depress the tab to release the spring insert from the transmission support. Dislodge the transmission assembly and depress the tab to release the insert and spring from the transmission. Slide the spring off the old insert. Install the new transmission spring insert by first sliding on the spring. Keeping the insert stopper facing downward, snap the insert into place in the transmission. Fully position the transmission and snap the opposite end of the insert into the support. Align the front axle assembly on the transmission support. Slide the two drive shaft bearings onto the axle and fully insert them into the axle plates. Make sure the bearings are positioned in the notches in the support. Hold the axle assembly in place as you reposition the front transmission cover by first inserting the tab under the belt slot in the deck. Make sure the drive cable is positioned in the notch in the cover. Pull the wheel adjustment lever outward to properly align the front of the cover. Replace the 9 screws to secure the cover, starting with the lower middle screw. Reposition the wheel guards, followed by the two drive gears. Align the two front wheels and thread the nuts to secure them. Remove the weight and return the lawnmower to its upright position. Reattach the ignition coil wire to the spark plug. Refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your lawnmower should be ready for use.